In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account name in Agoda. First of all, it's important to know that you cannot update your Agoda profile settings from the Agoda mobile app. These changes can only be made by accessing Agoda through a web browser on PC or phone. To begin, open any browser on your computer and type Agoda into the search bar. Press enter and then click on the first non-sponsored link that appears, which will be the official Agoda website. Once you're logged in, locate the profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the last option, which is labeled Profile. This will take you to your account profile page. Here you will see your current profile name displayed. At the end of this field, there will be an Edit option. Click on this Edit button and you will now be able to make changes to your name. Agoda allows you to edit both your first and last name. After entering the changes, click on Save. Once saved, your Agoda account name will be updated successfully. From this point onward, the new name will be used for all upcoming bookings made through your account. And this is how to change your account name in Agoda.